With so many shows on Netflix right now, I know how difficult it can be to choose what to watch next. Don't worry, I'll help you out. Just a quick heads up, I'm not saying that these shows are the best shows on Netflix, these are just the ones that I really liked and that I would suggest to you guys. Also, one more thing which is common with the shows in the list is that they are not as famous as some of the other shows like Breaking Bad, Stranger Things, and Money Heist. But according to me, there deserve more attention than what they are currently getting. So, without any further delay, let's begin the countdown. These are my top 5 binge-worthy shows on Netflix.
Coming in at number 5 is Ozark. Love Breaking Bad? Then this is probably what you would want to watch next. After a money laundering scheme for a Mexican drug cartel goes wrong, financial advisor Marty Byrde proposes to make amends by offering to set up a bigger money laundering operation in the Lake of Ozarks region of central Missouri. Marty suddenly relocates his family from Chicago to the remote summer resort community of Osage Beach, Missouri. When the Byrdes arrive in Missouri, they become entangled with local criminals, including the Langmore and Snell families, and later the Kansas City Mafia. This series is a home run for Netflix. It is gripping with superb casting for every character. It is edge of the seat thriller that grips the audience from the very start. Next on the list is Sex Education. Sex Education is about a teenage boy, Otis, who lives with his mother, a sex therapist. Being surrounded by manuals, videos, and tediously open conversations about sex, Otis becomes an expert on the subject himself. He decides to use this expertise to improve his status at school. So he teams up with a girl from his school, Maeve, to set up an underground sex therapy clinic to deal with their classmates' problems. I binged both seasons on Netflix and cannot wait for more. Great writing, great casting, and a gripping storyline. Want simple, free advice? Just go ahead and watch it and thank me later. Coming in at number 3 is Broadchurch. Who doesn't love mysterious murder investigation shows? This is a show which many people are not aware of, and I can say that it really is a hidden gem. The death of a young boy sparks a complex murder investigation that puts an entire town, its residents, and its secrets under a national spotlight. Local police officer Ellie Miller teams up with shady newcomer DI Alec Hardy on this tense case. It is one of those shows whose every episode ends with the kind of suspense that forces you to watch the next until you realize the show is over. Go ahead and give it a watch and follow the journey of D.I. Alec and Ellie Miller solving the case. Next on the list is Sons of Anarchy. The show is about an outlaw motorcycle club called Sam Crow, which stands for Sons of Anarchy Motorcycle Club Redwood Original. The show features Jackson Teller, his mother Gemma, his stepfather Clay, who are prominent figures in a motorcycle gang that runs both a legal auto body shop and an illegal arms trade. Season 1 follows each member as they struggle to contain their family secrets while battling drug dealers and law enforcement and attempt to protect their quiet hometown of charming California. All the cast was spot on in their roles. Absolutely give the show a watch, but it does contain excessive violence, so if you don't like that, you can give the show a pass. Coming in at number 1 is Vikings. People who are big Game of Thrones fans, this is probably one of the best shows that can give you the same thrill. It is wonderfully written story which will take you back to the ancient times. This show is inspired by the sagas of Viking Ragnar Lothbrok, one of the legendary Norse heroes who raided England and France during the Viking Age. The show's true merit lies in stunning Irish sets, a phenomenal cast, and engaging story in the main character, Ragnar. I admit that it takes a couple of episodes to start the mood, but once you are into the story, you will get dwelled into it. Great acting, amazing plot, and an awesome historical background. Do give this show a watch. So those were my top 5 binge-worthy Netflix shows. I would love to know which shows are your favorite. Write them down in the comments. If you guys found the video to be helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more exciting content. Thanks a lot.